CapCut has a new game-changing platform that e-commerce businesses, sellers, and creators need to know about. This is going to change the way you advertise forever. What's up, friend? Welcome back to the CapCut YouTube channel. I feel like we all know by now that CapCut is an amazing resource for businesses, but CapCut Commerce Pro takes everything to the next level. Today, I'm going to walk you through the brand new platform that will streamline your e-commerce business's content production process. This is a great way to keep your costs low, quickly produce impactful content, and elevate your brand in the digital space. I'm talking to those of you who spend hours and hours trying to create the perfect ads for your audience. I'm talking to the e-commerce sellers who aren't professional videographers or editors but still want to make amazing content. I'm talking to those of you out there who struggle with providing enough content to drive sales. This is going to be a game changer for you. Be sure to head to commercepro.capcut.com to check out all of the features in this video. You can access CapCut Commerce Pro right now with a 2-week free trial and 200 free credits. Basically, there's no excuse not to try this out, so go ahead and open your browser and I'll show you around. The first thing you should see is the video generator. This is a unique tool that creates content for you within seconds. Simply enter your product URL from your Amazon page, TikTok shop, or Shopify site and let the generator do the rest. Once the tool loads your product details, you can edit as needed and then click the Generate button. You can also head into advanced settings to specify the aspect ratio, duration, and language of your content. I personally love taking advantage of the script feature here too. CapCut Commerce Pro will generate 4 unique scripts for you to choose from based on what's trending on TikTok. If you don't like any of the 4, you can generate 4 new ones or write your own. If you're gonna write your own script, just make sure it fulfills your target audience's needs and drives them to take action. Don't forget to hook them in the first few seconds with an engaging introduction, and be sure to include a call to action so that they know what to do by the end of your ad. You can even choose a specific avatar or voice to appear in your video. Think about who your target audience is and who they'd relate to the most here. For this example, let's go with Sophie at the makeup table because the product that I'm featuring in my content is a lipstick. If you're not sure which avatar or voice would fit best with your content, you can always go with the Smart Match option and let CapCut pick for you. If you prefer to enter your product details manually instead of using a product URL, you can do that too. You'll just enter in your product name, features, and add a few videos and pictures. You can also add in your logo, target audience, and promotional details. You can see that the tool has generated a bunch of video options to choose from. If you want more choices, just move your mouse under the video options and tap on the circular arrows to change the video style. You can also click on the scissors to edit your videos. You can add captions, change your AI character, add text, and more. My biggest advice as far as editing goes is to focus on that hook. If you can grab your audience's attention and keep them from scrolling, you're that much closer to converting viewers into customers. This may mean adding big, engaging text or swapping out your opening photo for a video that demonstrates your product in use. Don't forget to also ensure that your brand identity is consistent throughout your ad. So for example, if one of my brand colors is red, I'm gonna make sure that the background behind my auto captions is red. If your business has a particular font, make sure you're using that here too. The video generator does 99% of the work for you, so don't be afraid to take a few extra minutes to customize the video to your liking. Play around with the music, text, images, and more until you're happy. Once you're satisfied, just click the export button and you're good to go. From here, you can post directly to TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. You'll just select the account you want to post to, add your description, and you can even link your TikTok shop and add a product link that goes directly to your site. Select a date and time that works best for your content to go live, or if you want to save it and come back later, you can always create a draft or download it directly to your computer. And speaking of downloading directly to your computer, let's check out the publisher under the management section here on the left. The first thing you'll see is a content calendar. Here you can schedule posts to go up throughout the month, and you can view them either by week or by month. Click the schedule button and you'll be able to upload your content, choose a live date, select your social media platform, and add a description. Make sure your description includes a call to action so your audience knows what you'd like them to do. You can also link your product here as well. This will make your post shoppable, which can help increase your conversions. We want to make it as easy as possible to turn viewers into customers, so this is a very useful feature. Don't worry about getting everything together all at once. You can always save these as drafts and come back to them later. Scheduling your content is key to saving time and enabling you to create content in advance, so now you're never going to be worried about what to post or when. Now that we've got our video content figured out, let's check out some features to help you with your brand imagery. There are a few different smart tools that you can can utilize for your product images. One of my favorites is the Product Photos tool. I can take a simple photo of a product on my phone, upload it here, and change the background so that it looks like it was taken in a studio and not, on my kitchen counter. All I have to do here is upload my photo, select my aspect ratio, and choose a background. I can even write a prompt to generate a unique background using AI. So for example, let's say I want to generate a professional product photo for a lipstick I'm selling. I'm gonna upload this photo of the lipstick, I'll select a 1:1 aspect ratio, and then choose the bathroom background. Keep in mind, you can keep playing around with multiple backgrounds until you find one you like. You can even upload your own image or try out the prompt tool. So if I'd like to customize the background for my lipstick, I can type in a wooden block in the middle of the forest with greenery surrounding it. I'll let the AI assist me to get more specific, and this will generate a custom woodsy background. You can see just how accurate this tool gets and how much better my background is looking. The batch edit tool is also really useful if you're someone who likes working on a bunch of images in bulk. So let's say you took a few different product images. You can upload them here and remove all their backgrounds to place them in matching templates and more. You can even bulk resize your images for specific social and e-commerce platforms. This is going to save you so much time in curating your brand imagery, and you can use the time you save to push out more content and generate more sales. I want to touch on another feature that you can always expect CapCut to absolutely nail: commercial templates. Let's go into the template section. It's right under the video generator on the left. Here you can search for a specific template or scroll through for video and photo options. There are a ton of filters that you can use to get more granular. You can select your industry, your video's theme, aspect ratio, and duration. So for example, let's say I want to find a template for apparel and accessories, and I want to showcase my new arrivals. Let's keep it under 15 seconds and choose an aspect ratio of 9:16 for TikTok. There are a ton of templates here to choose from, and I can even star my favorites for later. When I click the Use Template button, a new tab opens so I can add my own assets into the template. I can even change the text, audio, and more before I export. Heading back over to the templates page, if I tap on the Images tab, there are a ton of posters and promotional materials here to use. Just like the Video tab, I can filter my results or search for a specific template. I can also star my favorites or easily click into a template and make my edits. I can change the colors, the fonts, the images, and so much more within my poster. When thinking about which templates you want to use, it's so important to keep your target audience in mind. Which template is going to grab their attention the fastest? Which one showcases your product in a way that appeals to them? Which one is the most engaging? Of course, the answers to these questions differ from brand to brand, but if you stay focused on what your target audience wants and needs, you'll create something great. These are all cleared for commercial use on TikTok and CapCut as well, so you'll never have to worry about any copyright issues. If you ever want to know if a specific template is cleared for other platforms like Facebook or Instagram, all you have to do is click into the template to see its copyright information and license details. One of the hardest parts of content creation is making sure that all of your assets are neatly organized, and best believe CapCut Commerce Pro has your back there as well. Within the Assets section on the left, there are two tabs: Clouds and Products. Starting here in the cloud, this holds all of your content. Don't worry about saving your work every 2 seconds or stressing about losing what you've been working on. It's all going to be here. You can see that this cloud here is actually my specific space, so I can send this to other members on my team so they can pick up where I left off on a project or sign off on content to post. Moving right along, I can also import and manage all of my products in the, you guessed it, Products tab. Here, I can import my products from Shopify directly or upload a CSV. I can also just upload all of them manually if I have them on an external hard drive or in a folder on my computer. This is particularly useful because if I ever want to create content around a specific product, I can find it on this list and generate a photo or video right from here. To do this, all I have to do is click the Generate button and decide whether I want to go with a photo or a video. If I click into a product, I can also edit any information I need to. I can change the product name, add or remove any photos or videos, and update the features. I can even specify my target audience and add any promotional details. I want to note that you can also link your TikTok shop or Shopify site to your CapCut Commerce Pro within your account settings. To do this, just click on your avatar in the top right-hand corner and select Account Authorization. This is where you can link all of your social media platforms, but you can also link your business and cloud storage accounts. And once you post your content, of course you want to know how everything is performing. Let's head into the Analytics tab under the Management section. Here, you can can see an overview of your business's account. You can track follower growth, impressions, and engagements. If you'd like to see how specific content is performing, head to the Content tab and you'll see analytics for each post listed here. You can always adjust the date range or select which specific account's post you'd like to see. And you can choose whether you want to see all post analytics or just posts from CapCut. These are sortable as well. I can sort by the number of comments, the date posted, and so on. Your analytics and insights should inform your strategy, so pay close attention to changes in viewership and engagements. Do you get more engagement from posting photos or videos? Are viewers sharing your content to spread the word? How about the progression of your analytics over time? Are your followers and impressions going up or going down? How does that relate to any changes you've made in your content strategy? Maybe you'll want to switch up the avatar that you're using because your audience isn't connecting with it. Maybe you'll try polishing your copy. Whichever changes you decide to make, you'll be able to see how they affect your viewership right here. The fact that you can create your content, post it, and see how it performs all in one place is a major game changer. And that covers everything you need to know about CapCut Commerce Pro. I feel like this is a no-brainer for e-commerce sellers and content creators. It makes the daunting tasks of content creation and social media strategy so much easier. Being able to see your content calendar and all of your analytics on one platform, it's gonna change the game. Check out CapCut Commerce Pro at commercepro.capcut.com and let us know what you think. Comment down below and let us know if there are any features that you'd like to see on there that aren't already. And if you wanna shout out your business too, I would love to check it out. Okay, happy content creating. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.